CFMoto just dropped their biggest adventure bike yet, the brand new 1000 MTX. Only a few people have seen it at EICMA, and now we got it right here, up close and personal.
Hi, welcome to Adventure Head. We're here on an exclusive preview of the brand new CFMoto 1000 MTX. We're among the very first few people to get this close to it, but here's the catch. This is only a display model. It doesn't have a key, won't even run, and the dashboard won't light up either. But that's not going to stop us from showing you why this flagship is so exciting and why you should definitely keep it on your radar.
You know, we've spent some serious miles on the 800 MTX, and it impressed the heck out of us. Agile, planted, and surprisingly refined. This 1000 MTX is CFMoto stepping into the Maxi Trail Adventure class using a proven formula with more power, bling, and panache.
The family resemblance looks positively obvious. The rally-inspired high fender, the sharp LED design, and the same 22.5-liter low-slung fuel tank that should still give you 450 kilometers of range. One of the 800 MTX's biggest strengths was its low center of gravity. And the 1000 seems to keep that perfectly balanced feeling despite its bigger heart.
A 946cc parallel twin pushing out 110 ponies, peaking 105 Nm of torque right in the sweet spot of the mid-range.
CFMoto is claiming a dry weight of only 199 kilograms. That's only 1 kilogram more than the 800 MTX, and 1 kilogram less than the much more expensive 890 Adventure R. And that's quite impressive for a bike that is bound to give us effortless highway overtakes, plenty of power for loaded up touring, and even more grunt down low for when the terrain gets a bit more technical.
Suspension is handled by a fully adjustable Kayaba 48mm upside down forks and a matching rear shock. A superior setup than the one that already impressed us on the 800, now tuned for the added muscle.
18-inch rear, 21-inch front, now wearing the popular Scorpion Rally STRs, hinting at a perfect balance for on-road touring and off-road exploration.
Brembo brakes, steering damper, Bosch 6-axis IMU for precision electronics, and a massive 8-inch TFT touchscreen, bringing all the rider modes and connectivity you'd expect of a true flagship adventure bike.
If the 800 MTX was CFMoto adventure breakthrough, the 1000 is their long-haul evolution. A bike built for riders who traded tent dust for passport stamps, less about the single track, more about the big miles, loaded panniers, and distant horizons.
CFMoto also announced a special edition of the 1000 MTX, and it made quite an impression on the crowd. From what we know, it's just a design study meant to show the potential of this platform, but unfortunately, there are no production plans yet, which I'm pretty sure will disappoint a lot of people. So, let's hope CFMoto reconsiders and decides to launch the crafted edition as well.
This all sounds pretty exciting, and we can't wait to put this beast through its paces and bring you our usual unfiltered opinion out there where it really matters. Until then, I hope you have enjoyed our first look at the brand new CFMoto 1000 MTX, and if your heart pumps in RPMs like mine does, don't forget to rev that like button, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next ride.